Nothing like a good British cup of tea, cup of Earl Grey today. Love it. This is just a little update video from this channel. It's kind of gotten off to a start and then been a bit dormant. I haven't done anything for ages with it, but we've just moved into, and by we I mean me, my wonderful girlfriend, and my dog, who may be the cutest dog on planet Earth. In fact, Django! He's not the most obedient dog on planet Earth. One. Look at this guy. You feel okay, Django, look at the teddy. In fact, you know what, let's get on the table a sec. Look how big this dog, don't lick the screen, don't lick the screen. How big is this dog? Before, you remember the last video when he was like, not anymore, you wanna get off the table? Okay, go away. Go to bed. I'm pretending like he knows what go to bed is, he just sleeps wherever he wants. What I like about tea is when it's so hot, it feels like it's gonna burn your throat. That's my favorite thing about tea. Like it's almost painful to drink that afternoon cup of tea. But when it's lukewarm, it's like, this video is just to update the channel. I've moved into a flat and I'm setting up a little media room here in the spare bedroom. It was gonna be a spare bedroom. Now it's gonna be like a photography, video, media center. I'm really stoked with having moved into this place and having what feels like a foundation and a home. So from now on, I'm gonna try and bust out videos on a weekly basis, whether they're around how I take photos or how I do videos or what equipment I use and how that equipment works. Anything I can dream up, basically. I just wanna be making something creative for myself every week that doesn't have a budget or a client or any stress attached to it. It's just being creative for me. So with that, I will hopefully be consistent with this and see you next week. I think I just burned my tongue.